In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add organizations to your LinkedIn profile, a simple process that should take you no more than 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional experience or showcase your volunteer work, adding organizations to your LinkedIn profile is a great way to stand out. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to LinkedIn's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in LinkedIn's URL, or simply search for LinkedIn in your search engine. Once you're there, you'll see the home page with the option to sign in. If you don't see it immediately, typically the sign in button is located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the sign in page. Here you'll need to enter your login credentials. Input your email address and password, then hit the sign in button to access your account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, be sure to complete that step to secure your login. Once you're at the LinkedIn homepage, you'll want to navigate to your personal profile. Look at the navigation bar at the top of the page, and you should see your profile picture or the word Me. Click on it to see a drop-down menu, then select View Profile. This will take you to your LinkedIn profile where we will be making the necessary changes. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Add Section button. It's usually near the top of your profile, just below your introductory information, like your name and headline. Click on this button to expand your profile sections. Within the drop-down menu, you'll see various profile sections you can add. Look for the section labeled Additional. Clicking on Additional reveals more options including Add Organizations. This is where you can input information about any professional or volunteer organizations you are a part of. Now, simply click on the Add Organizations option. A form will pop up, allowing you to enter the details of the organization. This is your chance to be detailed. Provide the organization's name, your role, the time period of your involvement, and a brief description of your contributions or duties. Be precise and concise, and make sure all spelling and grammar are correct, as this reflects on your professional image. Once you've filled in the necessary information, double-check your entries for any errors. When you're satisfied, click Save to add the organization to your profile. And there you have it. You've now successfully added an organization to your LinkedIn profile. Take a moment to view your updated profile and ensure that everything appears as it should. Congratulations on enhancing your LinkedIn presence with this additional information. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to revisit this guide or explore LinkedIn's Help Center for further assistance. Happy networking!